Wala pa. Ulit tayo. Ang daya. Sa gilid na yung tali, oh. Rico?
Naka-video na ba yan?
Ang pangit ko. Hindi patay. Bagay yung damit ko. Diba yan? Sabi ko nga walang pink.
Ryan. Tapos biglang namatay pa to. Pa rin ang buhok ni.
Ayun na nga eh.
Ano yung akin?
Haba na. Ano sa tanong buhok?
Here we are in the best years of our lives with no way of knowing when the wheel stops spinning, cause we don't know where we're going.
Back again. First year na kami.
On the best day of our lives, and it's a go, let's make it last. So cheers you off the back, cause this moment's never coming back.
Busy.
I used to know her brother, but I never knew I loved her till the day she laid her eyes on me. Now I'm jumping up and down, she's the only one around, and she means every little thing to me. I've got your picture in my wallet and your phone number to call it, and I miss you more whenever I think about you. I've got your mixtape in my wallet.
Ako din mo. Ano, friendster namin na sa dito ba? Dito ba? Oo, dito. Basta kay Saan.
Guys, ano mo yung section ko, ha? Sino ka ba?
Sino ka ba? Sino ka ba?
1 2 small letter W, big letter A.
Basta yun din nasa description.
Nasa rin yun, andito or andito.
Where I poured my heart out a million times for a million reasons. To all to you, I used to know her brother, but I never knew I loved her till the day she laid her eyes on me.
Sira yung webcam namin.
Now I'm jumping up and down, she's the only one around, and she means every little thing to me. I got your picture in my wallet and your phone number to call it, and I miss you more whenever I think about you. I've got your mixtape in my Walkman. It's been so long since we've been talking, and in a few more days we'll both hook up
Maraming friends.
forever. And
Ano kami doon? 44. 45 dapat. 44, naging 45, naging 44.
Kami dapat 52. Tama, 52. Nawala yung dalawang babae, kaya 50 na lang.
Kami, girls section. 44 girls on in
Nakaka-board din sa kanila girl section. Sa amin, 16 yung boys, 36, 34 yung ano,
Grabe
girls.
lang.
Lahat yung friends ko, yay! Tapos sa boys,
till the day she laid
close
her
ko
eyes
mga
on
ano,
me. Now I'm
nine na
jumping up and down, she's the only one around, and she means every little thing to me.
Girl section is
I've got your
Bang 41
picture in
ako.
my
Uy, bago
wallet
na si
and
Kuya
your
namin.
phone number to call it, and I
Sabi mo
miss
sa
you more
conference.
whenever I
Katabi kasi
think
Mike ka na.
about you.
Hindi pa naman madaldali. Wala na
I've
madaldali.
got your mixtape in my Walkman.
Si Bugayo,
It's so long
si Mary
since
Jane,
we've been
Frenchie,
talking, and in a few more days we'll both hook up forever. And I
Tapos,
won't
yun, malapit lang. Si Cloma na lang yung umaharang sa akin.
Bang kanta tayo. Ano magandang kanta ba? Ha? Nahanap mo na
Fire.
kami. Fire?
Fire.
Ting. Dan, sa pinakailalim. Wait lang ha. Salita ko muna dyan. Search
Ano
lang.
ba?
Nagsisearch lang ako. Hanap tayo, hanap. Alam, ang ganda! Pinakailalim.
Yan.
Hindi yan.
Kala ko ba hindi yan?
Kaya nga, hindi nga eh. Hanapin natin yung fire. Yung fire namin mga...
Ouch. Super.
Ayan na! Hindi.
Yan. Yan.
Hindi ko pindot.
Yan.
Ayan, yun na eh. Yeah, yay! Walang
I go by the name of CL of 21.
Gano'n
Been a long time coming, but we here now. And we about to set the roof on fire, baby. Better
It's
get close,
underscore
cause I'm
Flower
getting
Yoga
mine.